talking about faith, never about sight. Yeah. Hustling hard, not out of spite.
So hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget that it's sing along. Memi Girls, call me, text me. Oops, you ain't got my number. Memi Girls. Okay y'all, so today this video is going to be actually a video of me creating this style that I have in my hair now, which is very much so old. In this video I was very much so sick, but I still did my hair because I know I need to do something with my hair. I needed to wash and stuff, and now I need to wash my hair again, clearly, and style it again. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video of me creating this style on my 4C hair. Let's go, girl. Let's get started. So I portioned out my hair. So the idea that I want going on with my hair is I want the back to be twists, like single individual twists. So I parted out a section in the back of my head. And then I have this side, I parted out this side, and then I parted out this side. And then I want these two things to come towards the front, like that. But for the main part, I want flat twists and I want them back. So yeah, let's get started. I am going to be using this just jam in this eco styler to twist my hair. So yeah, let's get started. I already parted out this section. I don't want to have them too small. Cause I know I don't know. I'm just trying to wear my natural hair a little bit more. I am 100% natural. No chemicals, no nothing is in my hair. Besides these products that I'm putting in. So let's flat twist. And that's one flat twist. I'm gonna go ahead and put a rubber band right here. I don't know how many times that was. It's a couple of times. Tighten it, and then like I said, I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Ooh, I can't open it. A little bit of this eco styling. And then the rest is just going to be twisted down. And moving on. A little bit of eco. What is this? Jam. A little bit of jam. Swoop that little edge back. And flat twist, then going back. Grab some Eco Styler. And two-strand twist it down. My ends are so thin. I'm gonna show y'all one more and then I'm gonna get off camera because it's pretty much the same thing until I get to the back jam. And if anybody is wondering, I have 4C hair and my hair is, I have very fine hair. Very fine 4C hair. It's been like that my whole life. Blame it on my genetics. I really blame it on the lady I'm named after. I love her though. But yeah, I think she gave me this thin hair. But yeah. Grab it and then twist it back. And y'all see how my hair just shriveled up. Put the elastic on it. Tighten it. Then add your Eco Styler and two-strand twist it down. See how long it is, and it's just gonna shrivel up too. But okay, so I have 3. I'm gonna continue that on this side, my right side, and then my left side. And then I'll come back when I get to these twigs in the back. I know each time I come back, like I'm looking rougher and rougher. But now I have all my twists done. Okay. And so now I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do these 2 in the front. Just gonna take some jam. And I left this portion out because I can do like a lot of different types of hairstyles, like in the middle of the week, kind of like when I get too tired of wearing the same hairstyle, like I could do different things. And then I'm just gonna flat twist them towards my face. sure it's kind of tight. Perfect. And then when I get to the end, I'm just gonna twist. We're not adding a rubber band to this one. So just make sure it's tight. Use your Eco Styler. Not too tight for you get a headache, girl, but just tight enough. And then we're gonna get to the back. So I have already sectioned off a little portion of the back on my hair, so you guys can see. I don't know how well y'all can see it. I hope y'all can see that. Put it up in a bun, and then this I'm gonna do medium medium blocks in the back. Nothing too tiny, simply because I don't want to have a headache taking them out. And I don't think I'm going to use rubber bands because I just don't want to. But I'm just going to section this portion in 2 sections. I said medium, but this really seems like it's like, sorry y'all, I gotta look. And that's pretty clean to me. I use rubber bands. If I wanted to, no, I'm not gonna use rubber bands. I'm just gonna see if I can get it tight enough at the roots. Cause normally I will use a rubber band. Just take it and twist it. More Eco Styler. So use jam at the roots and Eco Styler towards the ends. I hope this is in frame. I'll let y'all know if I decide to put rubber bands at the root, because I might end up with rubber bands. It just don't seem like it's tight enough to me for some odd reason. There I have 2. And that's all I'm gonna do, y'all, until I'm done. So I'll come back when that portion is all the way done. Okay, y'all, for the most part, I'm done. I put rubber bands on all of them. It just made it easier, and now I'm just taking a little bit of that Eco Styler and twisting my hair. The parts in the back are not as crisp as they would usually be, but like I said, I'm not feeling good and I don't feel like doing all that. Plus, if you look in that, if you in the back of my head like that, you looking too dang hard. Like I said, I think I want to take out the blow dryer and kind of elongate my hair a little more so it won't be so stuck to my head. Yeah, I think I'm going to wear it, more than likely wearing 2 ponytails because the width right now is all over the place. Yeah, I'll come back and I'll style it for y'all, okay? Okay, y'all, this is the hairstyle that I came up with, these 2 little cute buns. I think it looks really cute. Like I said, I just needed to do something to my hair because I haven't been doing my hair and taking care of it in a while. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye for now, y'all. You know I love y'all.